What's up guys, and welcome back to JoJoButter. Today I'm sharing a healing oil recipe with you that will literally change your life. So take a moment to take a deep breath with me and pay attention, because what I'm about to share with you, they don't teach us in school. So when one of us learns some valuable knowledge, it is up to us to share it with each other. So this healing oil is called a healing oil because of the three powerful ingredients in it, which are turmeric, also called the golden spice, frankincense, and myrrh. And if you've heard of those three ingredients before, then you've probably heard about it in the Bible. According to Christianity, the three wise men brought the baby Jesus each a gift. Those gifts were gold, frankincense, and myrrh. So frankincense and myrrh are both tree resins or saps, but they're very powerful. And now with modern science, we're able to figure out just why those ingredients might have been brought to the most special baby. And whether you believe in the Bible or not, it still makes you question that story of them bringing them those three ingredients. So I'm about to tell you guys the benefits of each of those ingredients, then talk about the synergetic compounds that happen when you combine frankincense and myrrh, and then I'm going to show you how to make this all-healing body oil. So the first ingredient I'm going to be telling you the benefits of is turmeric, and modern science goes to show what the people of thousands of years ago already knew, that these ingredients can heal. So turmeric is amazing. It fades blemishes and it imparts a natural glow onto your skin. Turmeric is antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-parasitic, and it's loaded with antioxidants. And it regenerates your skin tissue and boosts the body's stem cells. Turmeric's also known to help with depression and anxiety. And if you don't have any frankincense or myrrh, then just making a turmeric oil alone will really give you a nice glow and help keep your skin safe. Alright, and next we're going to be talking about myrrh. So myrrh is a sap or a resin that's found in trees in Africa. But myrrh is one of the most powerful ingredients in this recipe. It's known to help with toothaches, and it has 80 times more antioxidants than blueberries. This stuff is amazing for your skin. Myrrh is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is amazing for your skin, and it also helps your skin and your body to produce more white blood cells. Myrrh is also used in a lot of incense and for burning because the aromatic scent of it is calming and balancing to your brain and to your whole entire body. That's why it's used in a lot of spiritual practices or meditations. Next, we have frankincense. Frankincense is also a resin, and at one point in time, frankincense was worth more in its weight than gold. So that shows that frankincense was very powerful. A lot of people coveted it because it has a lot of healing potentials that we're now finding out. We now have over 100 articles on frankincense and its power to fight cancer. And in petri dish studies, they saw that frankincense specifically combats skin cancer. So this is something that's going to be amazing for your skin and really help to rejuvenate it and heal it. Frankincense also reduces stretch marks, redness, or any inflammation. It's great for healing. Frankincense evens the skin tone, and it's great for joints or muscle spasms. Frankincense reduces brain inflammation and helps to better your focus. Frankincense alone is also an astringent, so it helps to remove clogged dirt, oil, and grime that are deep in your pores. Next, I'm going to talk about these two combined, frankincense and myrrh. So when these two are combined, they create synergy, a beautiful, harmonious effect that increases the potency of both of these by themselves and together. So now I'm about to show you guys how we make this oil. Alright, so to make this recipe, you're going to need a slow cooker or a crock pot, which I'm going to be using. So you want it to be a slow infusing method, because that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be infusing these herbs and roots into this oil. The oil I'm going to be using today is extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Both are really good for your skin, but you can use pretty much any oil you want to. A lot of people use coconut, but that does re-solidify. I chose these two oils because they both have a low comedogenic rating, which means that they don't clog your pores, and I don't want my pores being clogged. Measurements are not too specific for this recipe. I say use equal amounts of both or a little more of whatever one's your favorite. Either way, it's gonna have great healing properties. Next, you're gonna take your turmeric powder, and I'm using organic turmeric powder because you do wanna make sure you have quality ingredients going into your recipe. But again, you can just use turmeric for this oil recipe and it will still give you amazing healing results. I'm gonna add about half of this into my mixture. Now, one more thing you will need for this recipe, you will not need it, but it does help with this recipe, is some fresh black pepper, because that helps to activate the curcumin that's in turmeric, which has all the cancer fighting abilities and helps it assimilate into the body easier. Next, you could take some black pepper and put about a teaspoon over top of that. Alright, next you're gonna take your frankincense and your myrrh, if you have it, and put it into a mortar and pestle or just smash it up. We want to get the most amount of surface area in this so that we can really get all the properties infused in there. Now we have this powder, I'm gonna add this in there as well. Once you have all that mixed together, you can let it sit in the crock pot or double boiler, however you have it simmering, just for about 2 hours. And once that's done, I'll be back to show you guys how I bottle this and see how it comes out. See you soon. And we are ready. This smells amazing, but that's also because I'm fake and I added one more ingredient. I put a tablespoon of coffee grounds in there. That's because I personally believe coffee is amazing for the skin. It is loaded with antioxidants, and I feel like it helps to speed up this whole synergy combination. Plus, I love the smell of coffee, so I wanted to add it in here. Let's take a coffee filter, a little mesh strainer, put it in there so it's double filtered. So I'm gonna give it one good stir, and then we're about to filter this. This is gonna take a while. This is what's left over. This is the oil, and this is super concentrated. I don't know if you can see, but it has like a UV type of look effect to it. Super, super concentrated. I put a lot of turmeric in this one. So to make the body oil, what I'm gonna do, since this is a little concentrated, I'm gonna do half this and then just half amounts of argan oil. Alright, mix it all together, shake it up, and we are gonna try some out right now just so I can show y'all the glowing effect it gives you. It literally like activates the bioluminescence within your own body and you glow. This shit's amazing. I'm gonna put the rest into a container so that I can reuse this and make body scrubs or lotions or anything out of this oil. Anything you make with it will be healing. Anything you use it for will be beneficial. This is just loaded with good stuff for your skin. Look at that. You can see it still has that UV type of color to it. Smells amazing. It's loaded with nutrients and antioxidants and healing benefits for your skin. It has a nice natural look and glow to it. I'm gonna be making a lot of different stuff with this, so stick around and watch out for next episode. I will catch y'all next time at JoJoButter. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, engage, and yeah, that's it. This was fun. Hit me up if you have any questions. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love.